fishing time. Day 2 tayo ng ice fishing natin. Red River by CIL. Negative walang temperature natin, mamaya mag plus 2 pa. So very basic. Run and gun lang tayo ngayon, di tayo nag-tent. First catch natin guys, sauger 10 inches lang. So soli natin to. Second catch natin guys, walleye, 18 inches. So keeper to, win natin to. Yahoo!
A few moments later.
Guys, lumalakas na yung ulan. So okay na yun for today. Bawi na lang tayo ulit next time. Magpapack up na tayo. Hanggang sa susunod na fishing adventure. Fish!